Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue edge lights not working. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go to display, tap here. Then go down, tap on edge lights. First ensure that edge lights is on. So we need to tap here and enable this edge lights. Okay, then tap on this edge lights settings icon. Then ensure that edge lights has been enabled for incoming calls or alarms or notification. At least we have to enable it for one of these items. So let me enable it for incoming calls, alarms and app notification. After that, go down. Then ensure that this is not scheduled. You can see turn off for scheduled time. Okay, we can disable this. Maybe you scheduled to turn off full day. That might be the reason. So disable it. Then if you enabled these two, in that case you have to face phone down. Then only you will see the edge light. Okay, you can check all these things. Your edge lights should work. So this way we can fix the issue edge lights not working. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.